side. How you liked it? Seldom broke sweat with the ball at his feet. An assist already for Pedro Lopez. And you feel now, they really have to try and get something before half-time whistle. ITBP otherwise pretty much been talking about BODOLAND into the quarterfinals of this year's DURAN Cup. And the game ends this way. BODOLAND make their maiden entry into the quarterfinals. 7 teams already sorted. Battle for the final spot. Timothy onto his midfield partner. Clever lead from Junior. Ujoy Brahma puts a break on his run. Timothy. Clever chip towards Pedro. Was gone slightly advanced.
That's
what's impressive to see about the BODOLAND side's rotation of their midfield three at the time. Sir Kayari this time. Play like a well-oiled machine. Yeah, those are the happiest ones for you as a coach. Really, the number of players from the BODOLAND side that touched the ball in that sequence of attack, and ending with a player who started on the left wing. This is exactly what we're talking about his movement. Now forward drops short, and he fills the space of Robinson, and he finished it as well as Robinson would do. And that's what we wanted to see from this young lad, showing them and fulfilling that potential that the home crowd want to see from Gary. Really, really good finish to slot it underneath the goalkeeper, and brilliant move, and that's why coaches are absolutely delighted with that one. From the banks of Brahmaputra to the heart of Kokrajhar, the night has gathered its people. They have come for a contest, for a decision, and for the story that will be told long after the whistle fades. Kayari, from the home soil to the glory. We have the first corner of the game for ITBP FT. Can they pull one back? Can they make the score line look respectable? Now on the rise, is still on. Bodies behind the ball. Smacked away by the team in pink. Pradipta, the outlet on the left hand side. Ignored. Yet again, BODOLAND FC stand with their authority. A reverse ball for Pranjal Govic. Pranjal with a step over. Pranjal from a sharp angle. Deflection and out. Corner then for BODOLAND. Really good promising counter-attack from BODOLAND. They're really turning the screw now on ITBP. I think this is now just going to become almost an exhibition type of football from BODOLAND. I think just flooding players forward. I think everyone fancied their chances today to score. Pranjal obviously wanted to join his local hero now, Gigi, coming on the score sheet. BODOLAND hungry for more. It's better. Outswinger. Punched out to safety. Yogesh Lama. Only his third appearance in the Indian Oil Cricket Cup. Managed 1 clean sheet. Conceded 3 so far in this game. It's been a tough one for Yogesh Lama. Can't really fought him too much, obviously for the penalty or the third goal. Maybe question marks in the first one about his start position, but I think it's just the dominance that Bodoland's had in the final third. Just hasn't had enough protection from his midfield. And maybe now Dwindle down is too little too late. Just making the adjustment in terms of how they defend. They really have to just throw caution to the wind in the second half. See, even a draw is not going to be enough.
Rajal on the heels of Lama. Somehow they come away with it. Takes the aerial route. Looking to release Hemraj. Too much weight on that pass. Just overlord by the patient. ITBP football team. They are controlling the game. Likes of Timothy Nursery and Pedro. That's loose. Chance creation. Takes a tumble.
后面俩那边我看就离开这边，一句话完全没考虑两个地方，就看然后。